Good afternoon friends. My name is Aditya Singh. Today we discuss about how do we hear sound. Before we start our class, I want to recall you that if you firstly come in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And mostly like my videos and share my videos with your all connectivity. So let's our today class. So our topic is how do we hear sound. So our first that if any sound will become, then our eyes you see in your outer ear called pinna collect all sound and send it to the ear canal and send it through the ear canal send it to the ear canal. Then the ear canal carry should sound waves to the eardrum. Then ear canal ear canal carry sound waves to the eardrum and eardrum responds rapidly. The sound wave causes eardrum to vibrate and the response. Then the middle ear bone pick up the vibration from a tympanic tympanic membrane. This is called tympanic. You will see just like a drum type of structure. This the eardrum. This eardrum also called a tympanic membrane. This membrane can vibrate. Then they response to the ear membrane, and ear membrane sent to the rapidly sent to the inner ear. They will send with the help of middle ear and a bone which connect to the inner ear is called strap. The help of this they can send the sound. When a sound send into the inner ear, the vibration set the fluids inside the cochlea in a motion. The nervous cell which present in the cochlea that immediately responds and send the sound with the help of electrical impulses. You remember it, electrical impulses. The help of electrical impulses they sent into the brain authority, and the brain will be proceed that the sound was that and could understood. So thank you. Today class is better. I hope today class is better. Thank you.